quarter. Here's Edo, bigyan bola pa kay Cacho. On the left side to Sine, he fires a long ball. That's it. 3-point shot. Here's Cacho, all to Oliver. The kick out now, keep on the right side. Bang! Here is Jonathan. Passes off the corner again. Great off the lead down way, Jonathan at the corner now, Ray again. Oh, look at Ray Tito. Here is Ray Tito. He now starts to play. Ray fires. Bang! Here's Ray. Back to the right, fires. Lead to the team. Off the Tito. Second, off the right again. Ray Tito. Here's Sato off to Oliver, back to Ray again. Here's Ray again. Here's Ray. He comes for three. Oh, looking for a screen. As Adam attacks the lane. The kick out now. Ray again.